Next one is typical cell. What is this typical cell? We know about the animal cell and we know about the plant cell. What is this typical cell? Typical cell is a model cell which represents all the cell organelles present in the cell. For example, if we take the animal cell, which animal cell is this? A typical animal cell. Here animal cell having different parts. They have the central nucleus, they have the endoplasmic reticulum, they have the Golgi bodies, they have the mitochondria, they have the vesicles. Like this, we represents all the structures present in the animal cell. Every animal cells do not have all the cell organelles. Some animal cells may have more mitochondria when compared with other cell organelles. Some animal cells may have more Golgi bodies. Some animal cells may have more vesicles. Like this, based upon their function, they have the more in number. Okay. For example, if we take the salivary glands, we have the salivary glands, right? What is the function of the salivary glands? It secretes the saliva. That is the function of the salivary glands. Here the glands of a cell having more Golgi bodies when compared with other cell organelles. So they have more in number. Next one, if we take the plant cell. Here we mention all the cell organelles. They have the outer coat, thick cell wall, the central large vacuole, nucleolus, nucleus, Golgi bodies, represent the mitochondria, chloroplast. Here we mention all the cell organelles. Okay, for example, if we take the chloroplast, here we mention the chloroplast in the typical plant cell. Every plant cells do not have the chloroplast. Most of the chloroplast are seen in the tender stems. Most of the chloroplast is present in the tender stems and leaves. These chloroplasts are not present in all the plant cells. Based upon their requirement, they are more in number. Let us draw the pictures of plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell having the hexagonal shape. The plant cell is covered by a thick layer, tough layer, that is cell wall. Here we draw the thick layer, that is cell wall. Cell wall is mostly present in the plant cell only. Cell wall is present in the plant cells only. Cell wall is absent in the animal cells. This is the cell wall. Outer coat, thick layer, tough layer. Okay. Below the cell wall there is another layer. This is thin layer and porous layer. This is cell membrane. This is also called as a plasma membrane. The plant cell is, most of the plant cell is occupied by a large vacuole. Most of the space is occupied by large vacuole. About 80% of the space is occupied by this large vacuole. Okay, here they have the dark body called nucleus, the brain of the cell. They have the central, another dark body, this is nucleolus. Okay, next one, these are the Golgi bodies. This is the Golgi body. Here I mention the mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell. Powerhouses of the cell. Here we try the chloroplast or plastids. Plastids are mostly seen in the plant cells only. Okay, there is a fluid-like substance, jelly-like substance, which is found between the cell membrane and nuclear membrane, is known as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. This is a fluid-like substance or jelly-like substance which is found between the cell membrane and nuclear membrane. Okay, this is about the plant cell. Here we represent the all the cell organelles. Let us draw the picture of animal cell. Animal cell. Animal cell having the round shape. Animal cell having the round shape. They have the central dark body, that is nucleus. Nucleus is present in both plant cell and animal cell. Okay, they have the another dark body, that is nucleolus. This is nucleolus. They have the network-like structure. This is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is present in the cell. Here we draw the mitochondria. Here the mitochondria is found in the both plant cell and animal cell. Okay, here we draw the Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies also present in the both plant cell and animal cell. Golgi body. Here the animal cells are also having the fluid-like structure or fluid-like substance. This is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is also found in the both plant cell and animal cell. Okay, here the similarities is the nucleus. Nucleus is found both plant cell and animal cell. The mitochondria also. Here the mitochondria is also found in the both plant cell and animal cells. Golgi bodies also. Okay, the main difference between the plant cell and the animal cell is the plastids. Plastids are only found in the plant cell only. Plastids are present in the plant cells only. These are absent in the animal cells. Okay, next one. The outer coat, the cell wall. Cell wall is mostly found in the plant cells. Cell wall is mostly found in the plant cells only. Cell wall is absent in the animal cell. Cell wall is absent in the animal cells. Here another difference is the large vacuole. Large vacuole is present in the plant cell. Vacuoles are absent in the animal cells. Okay, these are the some main differences. Let us see the differences between the plant cell and animal cell in the tabular form. Plant cell and animal cell. What are the main differences between the plant cell and animal cell? Plant cell having the outer cell wall. Outer cell wall. Cell wall is present. Cell wall is present in the plant cell. Cell wall is absent in the animal cell. Cell wall is present in the plant cell. Cell wall is absent in the animal cell. Okay. Second difference is plant cell having the rectangular shape. Rectangular shape or hexagonal shape. Hexagonal shape. Where in case of animal cell, the shape is round. Animal cell having the round shape, sometimes irregular shape. Okay. Third difference is chloroplast is present in the plant cells. Chloroplasts. Chloroplast is present in the plant cells. Chloroplast is absent in the animal cells. Chloroplast is present in the plant cells. Chloroplast is absent in the animal cells. Chloroplast is useful for the food preparation. Chloroplast is useful for the food preparation in the process of photosynthesis. That's why these are present in the plant cells. Okay, next difference is centrioles. Centrioles are absent. Centrioles are absent in the plant cells, where in case of centrioles are present. Centrioles are present in the animal cells. What is the function of the centrioles? The function of the centrioles is it is useful for the cell division. It takes place in the cell division process. Cells are multiplicated. Okay, that is the centrioles. Next, fifth difference. Fifth difference is plant cell having the large vacuole. Large vacuole. About 80 to 90 percentage. 80 to 90 percentage of the space is occupied by large vacuoles. Okay. Vacuoles are absent. Vacuoles are absent. Sometimes small in number, small in size. Okay, these are the some differences, main differences between the plant cell and animal cell. I repeat, plant cell having the outer coat, tough coat, that is cell wall. Cell wall is present in the plant cells. Cell wall is absent in the animal cells. Okay, next difference is plant cell having the rectangular shapes. Plant cells having the rectangular shapes or hexagonal shapes. Animal cells having the round shape, sometimes irregular shape also. Okay, third difference is chloroplast. Chloroplast is present in the plant cells, where in case of chloroplast is absent in the animal cells. Okay, centrioles are absent in the plant cells. Centrioles are present in the animal cells. Okay, large vacuole is present. About 80 to 90% of the space is occupied by large vacuoles in the plant cells. Vacuoles are absent, sometimes small in number in case of animal cells. These are some differences between the plant cell and animal cell.